Hi there, and welcome to a new video from my channel Solar Energy. Today we are going to look at how I'm going to power my house using my off-grid home solar system. Here is my battery pack made from used hybrid batteries, and here is the output where I'm going to take from the inverter. Here is the earth wire, the live and the neutral connections. I'll plug it into my inverter here at the AC output, and let me switch it on. Here it's showing 24.1 volts DC and the output of 228 volts AC. Here you can see my meter is showing 24.5 volts of my battery pack. Here I have plugged the output from the inverter directly into the mains of the house. Okay, so before I switch everything on, let me just check if all the connections are correct. So the inverter is switching on correctly, the voltage is good. So all I have to do is switch on this little circuit breaker which is there on the side to connect it to the house. So let's switch off the mains of the house. Okay, and now that I have connected the inverter, let's switch the inverter on and see how the meter shows. As soon as the lights came on, you can see that the voltage that is coming out of the inverter is increasing. Here I'm switching on some of the random lights that are there in the house. So that's with the lights. So why don't we try switching on a fan? So folks, this is how you use your off-grid home solar system to power your house. It's just that simple. If you like that video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you.